Start by breaking down this image to make sure students know exactly what is in it. Notice that the scales are not balanced. This side is lower. What does that mean? It means that it has to be heavier, has to have a greater value. There's a number 12 in the middle. It means the sides need to equal 12. So some students may have drawn a model. They might have started with 12, dots or circles or squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then maybe they just shared them out. And just kind of trial and error. That's my 12, but does that work? No, it's the same on both sides. Maybe I'm erasing one from this side and I'm adding it to this side. Some students may have just started with 12, knowing that, well, what if I make this a 12? Well, this has to be 0. Does that make sense? Probably not. The yellow circle has to have some value. So maybe it can just have 1. Maybe I just start moving similar to the dots, but without needing that visual. Some students may have just started with this being 1. Okay, if this is a value of 1, what's the value over here? Well, 1 plus what equals 12? 11. It might be to find kind of the middle ground. So 12 divided by 2 would be 6 and 6. Well, and I know this blue square has to have more, so maybe we just make that a 7 and a 5. They may reason that it's only down a little bit, so 7 and 5 makes more sense. Or maybe it's down a lot, so maybe 8 and 4. They might reason that 11 and 1 does not make sense because it is still fairly balanced. Let them explain their thinking, share their ideas, discuss their reasoning. Remember, no wrong answers. It's all about their thinking, their different ways of thinking, their different ways of solving the problem.